Hello friends, how are you all doing? Hoping all are in good shape, and in pink of health. Welcome once again to your favorite channel, HalfTuber81. In today's video, I am going to take on the challenge of cleaning my microwave in just 120 seconds. Let's see if I can pull it off. Dirty microwaves can be a real pain, with stubborn stains and unpleasant odors that just won't go away. You might have experienced that weird smell when you heat up your food, or seen those tough stains that seem impossible to remove. These issues aren't just about looks. They can also affect how well your microwave works. Over time, food residue and stains can build up and cause problems. This method is so simple, and it uses ingredients you probably already have at home. To get started, you'll need a microwave-safe bowl, some water, and a tablespoon of white vinegar. That's it. The acidity in the vinegar helps break down the tough stains and food residue. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice if you like. The combination of water and vinegar creates a steam that will help loosen the grime. The process is incredibly simple. Fill the bowl with about 2 cups of water and add that tablespoon of white vinegar. Place the bowl in the microwave and set it for 120 seconds on high. To make matters worse, these stains and smells can be really tough to get rid of. Plus, a dirty microwave can be a breeding ground for bacteria and germs. You might have tried scrubbing and cleaning, but sometimes it feels like no matter what you do, you just can't get it clean. That's why I'm excited to share a quick and easy method to get your microwave sparkling clean in no time. A clean microwave is essential for maintaining a clean and hygienic kitchen. It's one of those appliances that we use daily. And when it's dirty, it can be really frustrating. The steam created will help loosen the grime, making it easy to wipe away. After the 120 seconds are up, Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave using oven mitts or a towel. The bowl will be hot. Take a paper towel or a soft cloth and gently wipe away the loosened grime. You might be surprised at how easy it is to remove those tough stains. The results are pretty amazing. You go from a dirty, stained microwave to a clean one in just 30 seconds. It's perfect for those quick cleanups or when you're short on time. A clean microwave not only looks better, but also helps keep your kitchen hygienic. If you're struggling with a dirty microwave, give this method a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your results or check out my other cleaning videos for more quick and easy tips.